What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to head out to Calder Park Raceway. There's a Battle Royale drift event and show and shine. So I've been invited to the show and shine. You might have seen in a previous video I spoke about it. So we're going to head out to there today and just explore, see what's going on, check out the drifts, check out the cars. Be good. So if you see any of you there, awesome. If not, that's all good. Let's head down, check it out. Alright, so we just got here. Few cars lined up for the show and shine, pretty sweet. There's 32, keep it Reet 1, that's pretty sweet as well. It's really loud here, so I'm not going to be able to talk to you much. And people are literally doing flying entries into the drift, so this is sick. I'm going to go get some footage of that for you.
I'm sick of all your sad songs. Just tell me what you really wanna say, even if it's wrong. We feed ourselves with chemicals just to find a garden. I risk my life, my weight in gold. Only touch the surface. All my friends are stoned. They live too long.
today 30 photo.
All right, guys, that's me done for the day. I am burnt red raw. I didn't have any sunscreen on, rookie, but that was a sick day, had heaps of fun. I actually went up by myself and met some random, like, good lads there. So I hung around with them for the day, saw some awesome cars, saw some awesome drifting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it. And yeah, you know what to do, the like, the subscribe. We hit 1,000, we got it. Thank you everybody for all your likes and subs. But apart from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.